Hello, my dear friends. Today we will learn about a lesson which will give us information about a biscuit and how is the biscuit made. So let's start. Lesson number 6 in a biscuit factory. So let's start, my dear friends. In the first, a biscuit is so crisp and tasty. We all love biscuits. We get different types of biscuits in shops. They come in colorful packets. They are made in a factory. Where are they made? They are made in a factory. But how? But how are biscuits made in a factory? Let's find out. So let's go. In the first, get a recipe. Means the method to make or to cook or to bake the biscuit. So number 1, get a recipe. Then get the ingredients or things that go in a biscuit. So you have to discuss that which ingredients we are going to take. After that, decide how much of each to use. Weigh each ingredient. Okay? And then mix the things and make a dough. Mix all the things together like this. Then knead the dough. So here the dough is kneaded. So these are the main things. Then what will you do, my dear friends? Roll out the dough. So the dough is rolling out like this. Then, my dear friends, cut out the dough into biscuit shapes like this. This is one biscuit. Okay, so cut out the dough into biscuit shapes. Then what? Bake. Then bake the dough shapes in an oven like this. Cool the ready biscuits. After that, see if the biscuits are done baked properly. Means checking, you have to check. In the last, pack the biscuits into packets. Pack the biscuits into packets. So these are the steps. Store and sell the packets. Yes, after packaging or after storing, you have to sell them. So these are the steps, my dear friends. In the next video, we will do things to do. Till then, thank you. Goodbye.